Alright, welcome guys. Today we have here the Deco BE67. Hope I got it right. Yep. Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. So this is the device I bought from Amazon and I shipped with Goli Express. Check out the previous videos and the shorts to see how that went. It took about 15 days, I think, or less to get here. So I ordered on the 20th of September from Amazon. Amazon delivered to the warehouse of Goli Express on 23rd. I'll show the data. Then from the warehouse to Ghana was about, I think it arrived on the 2nd or so, because I got a device delivered to my house on the 2nd. So yeah, now it's here. We're here to unbox it and then do a simple setup and then take it from there. Let's go. Okay, so BE 14,000. Okay, so that's the combined speed of the 3-pack. This is a 3-pack system, so we're gonna have a large coverage. Yeah, so smooth. So we have 3 of them. Let me just take these ones out. Okay, right, so let me just put them on the table first. So we have 1, 2 and 3. 2. The third one is here. Wow, got a bit of a heft to it. So let's put this box aside, but before that, let me put these guys on the side here. What else do you have in the box? Okay, we have the cables. Alright, this is a very nice pack. You open it from the bottom here like this. So what do we have? This is the power adapter. Okay, we need 3 of that. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Then this is the Ethernet cable. Cool. And then the third adapter. I think that's all. Let's put this box aside. So the first thing I will look at is the cable that came with it. So this will plug into the main router. Okay, the ISP router, you plug it into any of these ones. Right, I don't know what cut this is. I think they specified it. Okay. Ooh, you have some nice installation guide stuff. Typical. Resets. Oh, okay. For resetting, let me see. So there's this pin that you can use to reset the device. I think. Oh, right. The device, you can use it to reset it here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a small reset button there. Okay, so let's put these also to the side. Right, so these are the 3 devices. Let me put this adapter to somewhere. So the 3 devices are here. We have 1, 2, and 3. So this means that we can get a lot of coverage. So the more the packs, the more coverage you can have. So a mesh system basically creates one big network that you can connect to from anywhere in your house. So, and what happens is that, let's say you connect this is the main device, so you have to connect this one to the ISP's router. So let's say in this case, if I have Starlink, MTN, and then Telecel, so depending on which one I choose, I can connect to this. So the configuration is that you need to choose one as your main. You connect it to the ISP's router via the Ethernet cable. Now when this has internet, then it can now transfer it to this and this. So that's how the mesh system works. So sort of it goes round. So when you're going through the house, let's say for example this is in the office, and then maybe this is in the bedroom, this is in the hall. As you move throughout the house, it will automatically, your device will automatically switch. So I have the phone connected to either of them as I move through the house, right? So that's how mesh system works. So one big network for the whole house. So there's this diagram that shows you how it basically works. I think I'll just put it on the screen here. So hop to hop. Now the good thing about this is that this is Wi-Fi 7, so it has very nice big speed. So we have the 2.4 gigahertz band, the 5 gigahertz, and then the 6 gigahertz, which is the latest one. So basically, I don't know why I keep looking there. It means that locally, my devices will be able to talk to each other very fast. So if I have a phone connected to the laptop wirelessly, and I'm going to transfer files, it's going to be very fast. And I have a media server, so I stream movies to my Apple TV from my Plex server. I think I'll show that later on. So basically this is going to help with local connections. So, and then it will be very smooth. It won't drop as much, because that's the power of Wi-Fi 7. When I do the testing, we will verify all this later. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is set up the Deco. I already have the old one there. It's also a 3 system, so I'm going to replace the old one with this new one. The old one had just I think 2 bands, 2.5 and I think 5 gigahertz. Yeah, it's cool, but if you saw my last test I did with Telecel, where they have 1 gigahertz speed, this will take advantage of it. So it means that I can get full advantage or the full speed of Telecel. So yeah, now let's get to the setup and then take it from there. Okay, so I'm about to replace the Deco, so I'm choosing this guy. Let's remove this. Okay, so remove before use. Okay, remove obviously. What else do we have to remove? Nothing. Okay, so I have the Ethernet cable here and I have the power, so and I'm going to follow the instruction of the app. I'm going to tap on the plus, and it says add a unit. Okay, replace Deco. So I'm going to create or replace the main Deco. So I'm going to replace Deco. Instructions, make sure the Deco support. Okay, ensure the main Deco usually connected to the modem is working well. Power on the new device next to the current main Deco and wait till the flashes blue. Okay, so we should power on first. So I'm gonna plug this in. We have gray. Is it gray or green? Okay. What next? Wait till it pulses blue. Okay. And then connect the new Deco to the LAN port of the current Deco. Oh, I see what they mean. Alright, I need to go and make a switch. Internet, new Deco. Give me a second. So I'm back. This is blue. To the LAN port. Okay. Or it's not. It's blue. Okay, it's pulsing blue. Next. Looking for Deco. Oops. I need to plug this guy. Let's just I think I plugged it in too late. Let's see if it'll work. Alright, it found it. Deco BE67 is found. Yes, continue. Okay. Okay, after using the new Deco as a main, it will work as okay. That's cool. Now we wait for it to finish configuring. Testing internet connection. We are using Starlink for this, by the way. So, alright, we are good. Let me see. It says select the old Decos you want to remove. Skip this if you want to keep them to expand the network coverage. Okay, I think I'll just remove them for now. So let's add another Deco. Alright, let's go and set up the second one and come back. So device 2 has been set up. You're going to now add the last one to the bedroom. So let me go and do this one. I'll be back. Okay, so that's it. We are done with the setup. So back on the app, I can see the office is connected. This is the main one. All the devices are connected. Cool. I didn't have to go and set up the whole device again. So everything is properly connected. So I'm going to now make sure that I'll go around and make sure everything is working as expected. So yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. I'm going to do some tests, Wi-Fi speed test, local test, and then we'll see how powerful Wi-Fi 7 claims to be. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.